Hello angels, after spending entire 2 years in my own space thinking about like I will do something different, I will be isolating myself from the entire world and doing something different. I'm here again back on the social media, not only because I want to do what everyone else want to do, it's just because I don't want to feel behind. Like I also want to document my life. I also want to I also want my futures. I also want my future self to watch myself in the old videos, like how I used to spend my life. But that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is how I'm going to tell you like kitna distraction I have filled in my life. Like not distraction exactly, but I was thinking to do something different. And doing different doesn't mean that doing different should be. The motive of this video is to tell like how I'm stuck in this loop of not knowing what to do. Like at this point when we all choose a subject for our entire life, like a 16 years old or 15 years old or maybe sometime 15 16 years old a kid has to choose a subject that is like in at the age of 15 16, a kid has to choose a subject that he or she wants to study her entire life. Like just imagine how deep is this thing. Like we have to choose a subject, a single three-piece subject of like mostly five subjects that will be leading us to our entire future. Like it's so tough. I don't think anything is more difficult than thinking of these choosing the stream. And this phase has stuck like so bad in my life that it has put me a lot of months back from my peers. Like I don't know what my peers are doing because I don't have any. I don't have any friends, I don't have any classmates, I don't have any tuition mates. And you will be asking, how are you existing in this world like if you don't have any? Because you are supposed to go to schools, tuitions and etc stuff. But still I'm not going anywhere. I'm studying in my home and I'm studying in my room for 24/7. And this has put a one thought in my mind कि मुझे करना क्या है, करना क्या है मतलब हम लोग सोच सोच के थकान, मतलब मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है, बट स्टिल दैट लिमिटेशंस केम कि ऐसे मतलब कि आपको सोचना पड़ता है कि हाउ योर फैमिली सिचुएशन इज कि आपको कितना किधर जाके लीड करना पड़ेगा. यू कैन नॉट चूज इंटायरली लाइक आपको सिंगर बनना है इफ़ योर पेरेंट्स आर सर्वाइविंग in the daily chores, money stuff also. Like I'm just giving an example, not exactly on my situation, but I'm just telling you it's so hard. Like and we take this for granted. Like I know like in every videos teachers are saying 11th क्लास वेस्ट 11th क्लास वेस्ट. भाई साइकोलॉजी तो समझो बच्चों के पीछे की 11th क्लास वेस्ट क्यों होती है. चलो हर बच्चा तो नहीं करना चाहता ना इंटेंशनली वेस्ट 11th क्लास को. कुछ तो होगा जो उसको पीछे खींचता होगा ना. लाइक समझता ही नहीं है कोई. बट नाउ आई एम बैक ऑन द ट्रैक. लाइक मैं सोच रही हूँ कि सब कुछ रिवाइंड करके मैं अपने आप को टाइम दूँ, सब में बेस्ट दूँ, फिर मुझे पता चलेगा कि मैं किस चीज़ में एक्चुअली में बेस्ट हूँ. एंड आई एम डूइंग दिस बिकॉज and this YouTube channel is because I want to document my life. Secondly, I just think this is the part of me that I don't want to like think in future like I wish I would have done this, like because this thing has been in myself since a very long time, since I was child, since before the YouTube and social media even existed. Like it existed but it didn't existed like this normal that is now, but this is into me. Like my mother also knows that. So yeah, we all are stuck in our own thinkings to know what exactly we want in our own self. And this is the toughest question because at the end we all want money and something which gets our interest. Like we can sacrifice our interests, our hobbies also if we get a good amount of money, and if we know that we have to put this much efforts into it and this will give me this much output, this less output if I have to put this efforts and I will get this output, it will be so dramatic and it will just put us into depression. And that's a bad thing of our Gen Z also. Like I'm just thinking like I will do my work, I'm also earning 6,000 per month and it's nothing. Like it's completely nothing. As a 16 years old I want to earn a lot of money. Like seriously, it is my thing. Like it's, why do we feel ashamed like saying I want to earn money, like when the whole motive of every single stuff that we do in our lives and we want to do in our lives is that money only. So I will not shame in saying that at the I'm not shame in saying that I want to earn money, of course, and the 6k as a 16 years old is very less. And that 6k, how am I earning? I will tell you in further, because for people, some people of my most like some people of my age are still on the zero count and not earning their own pocket money by their own self. They can do many stuff. Like in India, we have lots of restrictions in doing work, and also our parents doesn't want their kids to do something like cafe stuff, cafe, being a waiter at the cafe, at a counter, cashier at the counter. Our parents doesn't want us to do that, so we have very less options in earning at the earlier age. The only option that we are left with is skills, freelancing, video editing, SOE, or blogging. Like this is the mota example of what YouTube and ChatGPT, other AI, tells us to do to earn money. Like do video editing, do coding, do programming, like whatsoever. Like do that skills and you will start earning. And trust me guys, when I say this, I have tried in these 4 months. I have tried literally like put myself into every single stuff for weeks to know that in what field I will do better. And like I have only in programming I got an interest, like specifically in web development and UI designing, UI UX designing. I have got interested only in that. Otherwise rest of those things doesn't work at all, like at all. Like if you, like I just think I'm not the right person. Maybe if you ask me as a normal person, I'm not the right person to ask for like it will work. Like for some people it will work, but for me it didn't work. And so yeah, that is the thing. So we have to be putting our own self, like more efforts to everything that we want to do, and the only way to do that is just start doing whatsoever comes in your mind, and start doing with complete consistency. Consistency is the key, as everyone says. Just do anything, like just grab one thing that you want to do and do that with consistency, and then look for at this initial stage, don't look for the results. Later on you will get the results, maybe not. Then don't get demotivated. Of course this is very easy to say, but we get demotivated and it's completely okay. But just think of it, if you cannot see yourself at the average position, that means that your higher self is somewhere above that. That he or she is not okay with this surface level thing. He or she wants to be there, not here at the surface level. So just don't put all the stuff in your mind. Like don't put a lot of pressure on your mind. Just thrive, float, and you will reach somewhere. And do give your 100%. And one thing also, like one last thing I want to say, no one, like literally I am saying not a single person, like maybe your parents, if they love you so much. Otherwise most parents are also like that, like most, not hardly 10%, but not mine. I'm just saying, no one is for you. No one is gonna save you. Like you have to be your own savior, like own savior. Just open up your eyes, work on yourself, stop spending so much freaking time with hangouts and stuff. Yes, and memories are very important part of your human life, our social life. But trust me when I say, I have spent 3 years of my life, like it's ongoing through third year of being alone, being my own space. And it was not easy. Like yes, it was not easy. And from in the first year I was connected to my old friends, and they were so interested in my life, knowing themselves. But slowly and gradually, dheere, I also became very boring to them. And when I say boring, literally boring, they thought I'm boring. So I don't have any person. When I say I don't have any person, I don't have any person. And it will not, like you have your entire life in front. After 20s you can make a lot of friends in your offices, everywhere. Like you will have your own permission. You don't have to take any permission from your parents for hanging out or etc stuff. And you will also have a good state of mind to know who is good for you and who is not good for you. Thank you. And you will have that mindset, like you will know actually who is for you and who is not for you. And I know that regret of spending entire 1 year in a wrong friend group, or in a wrong, or with the wrong person particularly, in an entire year is so heartbreaking. And when you realize that that person was not actually into you, that was just his or her, you were only his or her time pass. Okay, so just open up your eyes. Nothing is permanent. Focus on yourself. Do something that makes your life valuable and puts you somewhere in the society, because you are not a normal person. When I say this, I mean it. Bye bye. Welcome to the Eva gang, and if you have watched till here, congratulations, you are the part of Eva. So if you want to stick to our journey, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. And that's it for today's video. I know the world is very cruel and hard, but at least you have your own self, and I will be here to help you out. If there's any kind of questions or any kind of thing that is going into your life, you can mail me in this on this Gmail, or you can put a comment section below, or put that any situation that is going in your life, you can put that in your comment section below. We will discuss it in the next video, and we will try to make it a little bit easier, because sometimes you don't want a solution, you just want a different point of view of that problems. And later you will get to know that was not literally a problem, that was just a situation that occurred just because of some circumstances. So make sure to put any kind of issue or any kind of thought that is in your mind, in this email or in the comment section below. So see ya next time. Till then, bye bye. See ya. I love you all. May you get what you want in your life, and